to be honest, a bit of a plonker anyway, but yet feels the need to try and belittle others, and to me it's just, you know, come on. Now then, bit of a different day today for us all. We're over in Pudsey doing some training at a safety maintenance company. A couple of them. Look at them, baggies late as usual. But we've actually got the lads from EWSC coming as well, because I actually booked the day. We're just doing cat and jenny and basic wheels. So I booked the full day, so I could have had up to 12 actually. But yeah, we'll lovely day in classroom, and we'll catch you later. Nice and dark under this tunnel. Turning here, look, there's Matt having a go. Oh, yeah. Just got it rigged up at Jenny over there. Why not use them, don't I? You've got to be an expert then. I don't need to do it. So we've just broken for lunch here on this day of training. Actually booked the full day out actually for our guys, and like I say, the guys from EWSC have come along, Matthew and Lloyd. Might as well, because I could fill the classroom with up to 12. I paid for the day. So we've just finished our cat and jenny training in the morning, and then just having a bit of lunch now, and then we're going to go do the abrasive wheels. But what I really want to talk about is like people that just comment for the sake of commenting on videos, YouTube, this and the other. I know the guys from Nick from B&P Paving, shout out to you guys if you're watching. He touched on it on one of his videos the other week actually, just about people commenting for the sake of commenting, just to nitpick about stuff, and you just think, why bother? You know, where are you putting videos out week in, week out, showing yourselves what we do, the good bits, the bad bits, this and the other, and people just feel the need to nitpick, but yet they haven't got a YouTube video or any type of video on any of their social media, website, anything, but yet feel that they've got, or they're the experts on doing videos, this and the other. I mean, don't get me wrong, you know, if it were good feedback, like do this with your camera, the lighting should be this, the sound, this and the other, fair comment, you know, you take that on board. And this particular one I shared, it were last week's video actually, into a particular group that I'm in, and the guy that sort of commented, you know, oh, I'm going to tell you this and the other, is, to be honest, a bit of a plonker anyway. But, you know, again, he's got no videos of his own, nothing like that, but yet feels the need to try and belittle others. And to me, it's just, you know, come on, you know, I've got better things to do. In this certain group, there's 2 other YouTubers, I think, or 3 maybe, that I know of that are doing pretty well. Now, I take advice off of them, you know, and we all encourage each other, but not this particular person, because like I say, I don't think he's ever done a video, and I've even heard what he actually does. I mean, I won't say, because I'm not one for embarrassing others, I'm one for encouraging. I've heard his products are really crap and people don't tend to use him anyway. But there you go, I just sort of get that rant off my chest while I've got 5 minutes in car having my lunch, and shout out to all the YouTubers grinding hard. So it's not easy covering what we do every day. It's not easy at all. So yes, thank you, and we'll catch you later.
Right, just picking up from yesterday.
Unfortunately, Jamie recorded the previous day's footage in slow motion with no audio. But what we're doing is taking down this fence and installing double-sided paling for the customer.
We've railed it all out, as you can see. Not feeling too best today, I'm a bit under the weather, but we're gonna get it done. I'm not in best of moods either. A bit tricky this wall here, because obviously you can see how far it leans over, so I think we've got a decent line on that considering. There's 2 gates to build. Take out to take back with us. We'll try to map these up here. Gate going here. So 3-4 hours it'll be all finished.
so we'll just get this job at VD4 here. Looking well, look, nice double paling. Baggy's shifting on here with his look. Not a bad job at all. It's been a tricky one as this, hasn't it, Baggy? Walls and all sorts, gas pipes and all sorts in way here, but it's looking well. Look, they've done how they've got round here, quite like that. Looks good. Jamie's messing about, making his gates look. They're all tackle here at Airedale. We're going to have plenty left then, aren't we?
Yeah, oh, going through.
Are they? Oh yeah, he's got a double pail, that, hasn't he? Oh yeah. Yeah, so it goes all the way down here. Oh, loads more in here, didn't see that. Alt fence in here, didn't see that. We've just got to take all this old fencing away. Got a double pail this year. The majority's done. Oh, he's done this gate as well. So look from the inside. Yeah, well, what they're going to do, they need some more nails. We've used over 2,500 nails on this job. They're going to nip back some more and then they'll double pail this side. Come back with an empty van and take all this away, and then we'll take it down for recycling, as we do, down at Forge. That's looking very well, is that? Very well indeed. Obviously it'll look even better once it's double nailed. Very nice job there. Quite pleased with that, very nice. Got this nice capping that we put on, look, double paling. All 4x4 posts, all solid. Very good. And they'll get a video when they're finished, but overall that's a very nice job indeed. Job well done to the lads there. So that's another week nearly done. Friday today. And most of them are off actually. I think I had 6 of us that went on training course Monday. 4 of us are sort of ill, COVID, whatever. I don't know whether I have COVID or not, but not feeling right cracking, but I'm just waiting on a little delivery coming in yard. He's just phoned me actually as the driver to say it'll be 20 minutes, half an hour, so hopefully that'll be me done for sort of dinner time, and then hopefully have a long weekend, back fighting fit next week. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and if you haven't, please subscribe, give us a like and comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.